Mm, I'm not good at this. This is my first time that I'm talking. Also, I'm talking lonely, so I don't know how to talk. So, how to begin with this? Let me say, what is Unreal Engine? Basically, it's a game engine. In game industry, there are many companies are available, like Ubisoft, Epic Games, many more. But every game will made in an game engine which uses program and also some 3D models, etc. Mm, For an example, Ubisoft will develop their game in their own game engine. Uh, Let me name that a game engine A. The means the game engine name is A. Another company, then they also a game company. They create a game in another game engine. Let me call us game engine B. Now there is a game engine which is available in open source. Anybody can use it. Let me call this game engine C. Now the companies which are own their game engine has no problem. They made the game with their own game engine. So now we forgot about that game engine A and B. Now that game engine C is an this Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is created by a company called Epic. They are, I'm not sure that their real company name is Epic, but it's basically an game company, not a game company. It, it's a launcher which is used like in our mobile. We are using Play Store to download games and apps. Likewise, in PC, there are more platforms are available. Like that, Epic Game Launcher. Right, my mouse cursor is on that. This is one of the platform to download games. This company developed an game engine, and that game engine is called as Unreal Engine. Now, in this Unreal Engine, we can able to develop a game freely. Like we don't need to pay any money to for that engine. This is open source. We can download it and use it whenever we want. But how they manage to survive? That company anyway. That company need money. How they earn money means uh, when a game is created by using Unreal Engine and that game will be released in any platform, then 10 percentage, I think so. 10%, some percentage. I think 10 percentage. Uh, I'm assuming that 10 percentage, okay? 10 percentage of money will be uh, go to this company. For example, if we make a game, then we release it. If the game is 2200 rupees, from that 2200 rupees, 10 percentage of amount will be gone through this Epic company. Likewise, they are earning money. They also offers weekly free games. They give freely in Epic Game launches, and then like more services they are doing very well. But they suddenly, I don't know why, but they suddenly turned this game engine into for every field. now it's not just a game engine. We can create a game, we can create a film, we can design a architecture, like um, if we have a blueprint of a house, we can able to build a entire house with that blueprint architecture. And automotive and productive design and simulations. Now let me explain one by one. Game, everyone will know that what is game. Here we can able to create a first person game, a third person game, or top down game. uh, I think it's AR, augmented reality. Not aware of this, sorry. And virtual reality, we all know about it. One glass, uh, we put it in our head, and one two handles are in our hand, we use that. And vehicle, it may run some simulations, and car racing games maybe used this templates. But we can able to start in blank template also. We can able to create it from scratch here in blank template. Here we can able to create a game in Unreal Engine using C++ program, not Python, Java or anything. We just need a C++ program, or even if we don't know a coding, we just need to learn about the logic of the coding, logic and functions of the coding. Then we can able to use blueprints to build a game. So this is one of the plus point in Unreal Engine. Nowadays, many of them are using blueprints to create a games. Uh, this blueprint is not just for a game. I will come it later. Likewise, this is a game. Next, film. It's also same as that. We can able to build it from the scratch. A virtual production means you may see the ads in like soap ads, shampoo ads, like many ways. These ads are called as a virtual production. We can also made it virtual production or VFX, anything in the film we can able to do it. And same as the architecture, these are the default templates which are inbuilt in Unreal Engine. Why this is they give default template means some of the functionalities that are required to this architecture are available in this template, so that we can able to pick that functionality and use it for us according to our usage. Likewise, this automotive, we can showcase our product, whatever we need to do with our product. We can just split all parts of the product and show how it works. Likewise, we can able to design it here, and also we can able to 3D printing. I think so. I not sure. Uh, this is what automotive product designs and manufacture. This is the section is basically for what means uh, the automotive company, they they build a car, or they design a car in a software. After that they build the car, because if they build the car first, then the car designs are the car size are not uh, enough for the engines and their spare parts, then it will be make a trouble. So we first design it in the software. After that, we build that vehicles. So this is the use of automotive productive design and manufacturing. And the last one is simulation. Simulation, we are all know about that. Uh, Here the plain simulation, plain image is given, so I'm using a plain like a story. In this, for example, there are two planes coming straight, face to face, coming from far away. So if we need to calculate it and make the flight to not crash, means we can run the simulation here and we can know that how much we can tilt the plane, how much we can increase the latitude of the plane, etc. So this is the use of simulations, and this is all about Unreal Engine. And now I'm going to explain that how I do this project. Let me open it. I know that my English is very poor. I'm very sorry and try to improve that in future. Okay, it seems like something getting rid. Okay, here it is. So some errors are available. Preparing static mesh. Currently, I not have a mouse, so it's tough to handle it. I'm sorry. I'm using now touchpad, so it's very tough to handle it. Okay, this is the project that I done first, but this is not done by my own. Uh, the channel name is called Bad Decision Studios. They created a course for this and uploaded in YouTube. I watched that and I did it. Likewise, I said that Unreal Engine is for game creation, but they are nowadays they are planning to achieve that. Let me explain another thing first. If we create a game, we need more and more works are in background, like creating a models, creating a cutscenes for an game, that functionalities, likewise house, tables, etc. Many objects, many models we need to design. In order to design that, we are going to 3D modeling tools like Maya, Cinema 4D, etc. So this Unreal Engine is focused on doing that everything in this one single software. So this is the specialty of Unreal Engine. Now we are in selection mode. Here you can see it, but here we can able to switch between 8 modes. Uh, Now we are in selection mode. We can able to select the object, move this object using this gizmo. Likewise, we can able to do anything that the object can track within, and we can move, adjust scale, like rotations, materialize. Likewise, anything we can able to do in selection mode. But when we come through landscape, this is a grid. But when we import here the material here, now I am not going to import it. When we import a material here, we can able to uh, create a landscape. Landscape means like mountains, uh, like more mountain. It seems like the image that contains white and black, just white and black images. Uh, Sorry, for example, if you are in a black room, a white smoke is coming randomly. If we take that take photo there, we can have a black background with white fogs spreading there. So that is basically here called as an height map. And when we input the height map here, we can that white area will be the height and the dark area will be the low. Uh, that means a land. The black area will be a land and the white area will be a height. So we can able to even adjust the height of that height. For example, if we import that image, then the white wherever the white will available in that image, then here the land the mesh will be come up, and we can able to increase that height of the mesh even more. So this is a landscape. And if we move to foliage, foliage means we can able to paint. Uh, for example, here I have a land. In this land, I need to plant more trees, more flowers, more mosses. Likewise, more that's if I need to place means I can use this foliage tool and just one brush will come here, then I will just drag left click and drag the mouse, then there will be uh, trees or leaves, anything that we given as a input, they will apply randomly apply here. So it is just like a paint, but object will be created by apply painting here. This is called a foliage mode. Next, mesh paint. Sorry, I'm not aware about this mesh paint. Maybe I think basically every object is called as a mesh or actor here in Unreal Engine. Uh, by painting this mesh may be called as a mesh paint. I'm not really aware of that. I'm sorry. In fracture. Sorry, forgot about it. I recently just gone through this settings, but totally forgot it. What is it? Fracture. Maybe create a repetitive for an mesh. I think so. Okay, let me move. Then brush editing. Okay, this brush editing is a tool which is really helpful to for architectural design. Because with only one rectangle or only one box, we can able to build an entire uh, foundation or entire wall of the home with a single blueprint. So this is called the sunbrush editing mode. And then last, animations. I'm not even used this before, but this section is called as used for an animations. I aware of that much only. So going back to this. And now the green ring which is available here is camera rig rail. This is the camera in this Unreal Engine. We can able to make a film. I said so that here is a camera which can able to record everything and give at this as an output. But the cameras will record everything, but we can able to control that camera as